Good morning. Welcome to week 7 of Take Me to the River. I'm Cyndi Ross. I'm the Restoration Program Manager at Friends of the Rouge. I am here in the city of Livonia on the Upper Branch, sharing with you a moment by the river. And while I was waiting, it's been a flurry of activity, so hopefully you'll have a lot to see. I'm going to turn the camera away from me. If you see in the distance, there's mallards getting a drink and bathing. There's also a Canada goose farther back who was bathing and drinking a moment ago. There's been fish jumping. I saw a turtle pop out. Hopefully he'll come back. Something just popped out of the water there, but we didn't quite see him. You can see the ripple from him. It's just an amazing difference from last week. Last week, Sally was at the river in very chilly weather with floodwaters. Looked like a lake. Today we're here. It's going to be a high of 90. And you can see evidence of the flooding. The river banks are pretty bare. But it is a gorgeous day. The river is calm. You can see high evidence of erosion. This is typical for our urban streams. One thing you can see though is the areas where there's some vegetation along the stream bank. You have a little less erosion. So those roots are doing their job, trying to hold that soil in place. If I show you farther upstream where the homeowner is mowing to the edge, you'll see we have a lot more erosion. We have more geese gathering. Just a beautiful day. The bird song has been amazing. You see that pair of ducks down there, the two males. Just lovely. Well, thanks for joining me this morning for Take Me to the River. I hope you enjoyed this moment and really enjoy this beautiful day after this wonderful holiday weekend. Have a wonderful day. Bye.